Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have another kit haul for ya. Crochet Park sent me another bag to make. I had so much fun with the first one, I can't wait to try this one. So let me show you what came in the bag. Please hold. I gotta open it. This one is the Garden Bee Bag. It comes with your directions, Avi. Also a website you can go to if you want visual directions. All the hardware is in here, including the bee. I need to show you the bee. The bee was exciting. I'll show you the finished, or a picture of the finished product. I haven't finished the product. I just want to get this bee up out of here. Oh my gosh. This will go on the bag. Isn't that everything? Let me show you what the purse looks like. Here we go. That is the kit. And look at it in this blue. I got black, but I wish I got the blue. I know. You get your tools. So you get a crochet hook, a measuring tape, a couple needles, and some crochet markers. It is put together with plastic canvas, so you get all the canvas pieces pre-cut. Well, those pieces are pre-cut. Yeah, they're pre-cut. So you get a front and a back, a sides, and a bottom, and there is a zipper involved. These are the little loops that you crochet into to get the design. Where did I put it? There's little loop circles. Here we go. If you look inside, it's a bunch of circles put together. So you get all of those pieces. And a bunch. It's not necessarily yarn. And you get your lining fabric. This is more of a twine type situation, right? Like it's more of a string, but you get 4 of these. 4 or 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 of these to make it. And then you get your thread and all your hardware. And this is the zipper. That's going to put it together. So we have all the supplies that we're going to need for this kit. I can show you a little of the crocheting. I fear that this is going to take a lot of mind power for me, but I can, when I get moving, get the project going, I'll show you. Oh, this is interesting. Let me show you this. I will show you some of my crochet up close. Some of the bags you can take on the go, and maybe this will be one of those. I'm not really sure. We'll see. To make. This is a double-ended crochet hook. So you get both sides hooks in one. And then you'll just crochet. Yeah. I gotta read the directions, get myself all situated, but I wanted to get this video started so I can show you. It's probably gonna take me a hot minute to put this thing together, and I'm okay with that. I think this is probably a little more of an intermediate. So the front, you have 10 rings on the smaller bag, but it goes over with you like how you connect all of your rings together. And then we have to make a chain stitch in the first ring, crochet 10 single, connect the second ring with the oh, so this is a lot of connecting. I'll show you some crochet. Oh, look at these bags. I think they're adorable. So I will show you some crochet with probably just some straight crochet with some of these because I'm gonna have to pay attention, but I'll show you. And then I will come back when I have the finished bag. Hey guys, so I'm doing a little stitching here. Thought I would talk with you for a second. I have my direction book. There is a video direction, but I'm just gonna try to do it on my own. But there's a video when you purchase it, so there's that. But here's the string. I'm not sure which end I want to use, so we're gonna take a little test crochet while I talk to you to see how big or small each side of the hook is. I think this is the side that we want. Also, my Wellington has lost his mind. My 18-year-old senile deaf cat, who I let lay on the front porch, somehow found a baby rabbit and tried to bring it home. And he's very mad at me right now because I said no. I know, right? All right, I think that I got it. Okay. So we're just doing a little single crochet into the loop, right? We're doing all of this. I'm just going to show you real quick. We're going to be doing all of our crocheting into these rings. So I'm just getting my first stitch in, which doesn't count as a stitch apparently. Oh, he's mad. Do you hear him? You probably don't. So how are you all Ooh, now he is scratching at the door. He's not going out. I am not letting him out. I don't even know where he found the baby rabbit, to be fair. I don't know. Anyway, back to crochet. We are just doing this. We're making it. We're making things. We're doing things. It's so easy when you have the directions, right? And you have a video to show you how to do all the stitches. I'm not even a huge crocheter, to be honest with you. Do I know how to crochet? Yes. Am I great at reading directions? No. And that's okay. That's quite all right. I don't need to be because there's YouTube and that tells me how to do all the things that I want to do, right? I love this kit. I just need to get a little stitching going. It's going to take a little time. This is definitely a larger project, but that's okay. I've got plenty of time to get this going. Yeah. All right, guys. So I want to show you what I've done. Hold the phone. Okay. So I've got my first loop almost done. And then all we do is add the next loop, right? So I'll show you. Oops, I dropped a stitch. That's what I like about crochet. If you drop a stitch, you just pick it up. With knitting, if you make a mistake, you really have to knit backwards to correct that mistake. But with crochet, you can just tear it back to that point. And I know if you're a good knitter, some knitters can do that. I cannot just rip things back and know when to stop. I have to start all over again. Oops. This cat is driving me bonkers. We're going to go to bed soon, and then he's going to be happy. I mean, he's not going to be happy because I won't let him back outside tonight, but he'll be happy. All right, I got that. And then this is what we do. We just go into the next one and we connect them together. And you know what? It's not going to look perfect. And I'm okay with that. Perfection is really not what I'm going for here. It is the enjoyment of the craft, right? Like that's what I enjoy, is doing the thing. All right, I'll show you where I'm at. So that one is done. I'm working on the next one, and this will be it. And then in here you get your pattern. Depending on what size you're doing, it'll tell you how many of these to connect together to make the fabric of the outside of the purse. All right, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna get this cat taken care of, and I will be back with the finished product. Okay, guys, I finished her. Tell me this is not, there's a couple little flaws, but we're not gonna point them out. We got the zipper all lined inside. I am obsessed. Hi, Wellington. Now you can see a little bit in the corners, like the plastic canvas. That's kind of what I was saying. Like I might have messed this up a little bit, but I don't care. I love it. It's gonna hold a lot too. And the handles, they're a little stretchy. I'm so excited. I would say this is gonna be a perfect gift for somebody, a crafter in your life, a crocheter, somebody who loves making functional art, because that's what this is. I love it, and I can't wait to use it. The directions are great. I was going to try to record some of it, but honestly, I had to pay attention to what I was doing. Right, Wellington? He said, don't touch me, Mom. So I didn't record me doing it, but if you get the kit, you go to their link and it will show you what's happening. But I love it, and I hope you do too.